guys, welcome back to my channel. Hopefully you guys are having an amazing day. Today I have my test tube, new beauty test tube box to unbox with you guys. It does come in a tube, like it actually says. They ship it in a box because usually there's something outside of the tube that they want to give you as well, or not give you. You paid for it. So this is a bi-monthly subscription service. I think this is my last box. I have canceled the service and I feel like this should be it, but I don't know. We'll have to see. I feel like they play games with me. They tell me that my subscription is canceled and then I get more boxes. It's not that the subscription box is bad. It's just that it's mostly skincare. And if you are someone like me and you have a ton of skincare, you don't need any more. So you don't want any more in your collection. So hopefully this is the last box, but we'll see. So let's see what we have inside of here. We're going to cut it open. I haven't taken a peek. I have no idea what's inside of here. It could be anything. Hopefully it's some makeup. All right, so, oh my gosh. It's got the lady from Sex and the City on here, which I love. Sex and the City. It's my favorite show. So here's the inside of the box. It just says test tube powered by New Beauty. It says caution, contains must-have beauty solutions. That's cute. Oh goodness, this looks like a really good one. See, every time I say I'm hoping this is the last one, they send in an amazing box and then it makes me feel guilty that I canceled it. Okay, so the first thing I see is the Sonage or Sonage. I'm not sure how you pronounce that. This is a collagen boosting serum. It plumps and smooths your lines. Let's see, do we have a pricing guide? Well, let me, oh my gosh, we have a magazine. Holy smokes. We don't get like a little pamphlet. We get a magazine. So, and it's got, oh my gosh, what is her name? Channing Tatum's ex-wife. It's got her on here. So, what is her name? I don't see her name. I thought you would think it would have her name on the cover, but it doesn't. But I don't think this is going to show me pricing. This is just a magazine, so it shows you all the products. Ooh, it's the 12th Annual Beauty Awards magazine, so that'll be cool to see everything in here that's been tested and some things maybe I've purchased or things maybe I need to purchase. So that's a good looking magazine. So the first ever beauty sampling subscription, and it says even more beauty must-have shipped each quarter. Now including the current issue of the New Beauty for your convenience, which is 100% recyclable when you're finished reading it. More sustainable packaging and fewer materials to help decrease our carbon footprint, which is why there's no tube in here. So if you notice, there's no tube in the box this time. So I'm assuming that's helping to decrease their carbon footprint. So that's cool that they did that, because the tube was honestly a waste, because if you're giving you a box, you don't need a tube as well. So anyway, the first product is the Sonage Collagen Boosting Serum. So there's our first item. The next thing is from Cocofloss. This is a Cara Orange. I think it's just floss. Let's see. My nails are very tender right now because I just had the acrylics taken off. Oh my gosh, they're so tender. So here's what the floss looks like. I think it's just floss. I don't typically like this kind of floss, I'm not gonna lie. I like the little sticks. This kind, I just feel like it's a little bit harder to use. This would be great to keep in my purse though, because I mean, flossing is very important for your gum health. So the next thing is a Moxie Lash. It's an Essentials Kit Volume 1 Magnetic Eyelash and Eyeliner Kit. Ooh. I don't know if I've tried the magnetic lashes. I might have, but I don't remember. So, oh, those look like really nice lashes as well, because they're not super big and bulky. Sometimes you get those lashes and they're way too extreme. These are not extreme, so these look nice. So, and it tells you how to apply them. And then it has a mirror in here, and then it's got your Moxie Lash and your magnetic eyeliner remover. So this is these are cotton swabs remover, so it removes the liner. Okay, I will have to give those a shot because they don't look scary. The next thing is from Unite. This is a 7 seconds detangler leave-in conditioner. So let's see what this smells like. I always wonder how hair products smell because that's important to me. It smells really good actually. Man, this box was nice. So I don't know if I've heard of Unite before. If you guys have ever heard of Unite, let me know if you've tried anything from that brand. I don't think I have. The next thing is from Gloss Moderne. This is a clean luxury hair mask. Ooh, I love a good hair mask because my hair is always so dry. So masks for my hair are very, very important. So let's see what this smells like. I'll put a little on my finger here. Oh, it smells like coconut. Oh my gosh, I really like that. I love the smell of coconut. It smells like the beach. So this is really nice. I'm excited about this. I don't know if this is, I think this might be full size. It's 3.4 ounces. This is definitely full size. This is a ½ ounce. So this might be full size. I'm not sure, but this is definitely full size, and the floss is full size. So far I've gotten lots of full size items. This box does come out to be about $40 every 2 months. So $20 a month if you look at it like that. But so far we've got lots of great things in here. The next thing is from Vitabird. This is the Vitabird C12. It's a face brightening serum. It has 12-hour vitamin C. Ooh, vitamin C is actually really, really important if you have a lot of pigmentation issues, which I do. I have melasma, I have acne scars, so this is really good to have. So let's see what this looks like. I don't know how to open it. Maybe instructions on how to open it. That would be nice. No, I think we got it. Oh my gosh. I don't know what I'm dropping, but I just dropped something. Oh, it's a tiny little thing. I don't know if this is 0.11 ounces. This I don't think is full size. So there's what the packaging looks like. It's just a little tiny vitamin C, but vitamin C is very important, like I said. So if this is good, then I might have to purchase some. And then we have the Peach Lip Balm. This is an intensely moisturizing lip balm. Who's the brand? Wish. Oh, I'm like, where's the brand? It's on the other side. So Wish Lip Balm. Let's try this out because I love lip balms. It doesn't really smell like really strong of peaches. It's just got a very slight scent of peach. So if you don't like peaches, I think you'd still be okay with this. And the last thing is from Tatcha. This was what surprised me when I opened the box. I was like, wait, what? A Tatcha product? Tatcha is pretty expensive, you guys know. This is the Silk Canvas Filter Finish Protective Primer. So I don't know if this is a full-size item or not, but we're about to find out. Let's see. I think it is. I think it's the full size. Oh my gosh. And yes, it is the full size. I love this. I already use this currently. It's like a jar. I'll show you what it looks like. I'm not going to open this one because I already have one open. But here's what it looks like. This on the inside is basically like a balm. It comes with a little spatula. What you do is you run it across and you take it up to the first line right there. There's a little line on it. You take it to that line and then you put this on before you put your makeup on, and it helps to smooth the way your skin looks before you put makeup over top of it. This is fantastic, and I already know I love this. So I'm very sad now that I quit getting this box because everything in here is fantastic. This alone I think is like $50. So this already paid for your box by itself, and then all the other items included. So I think this was definitely a very, very good one. I feel like they're stepping up their game. I feel like they're doing a much better job of giving us things that we could actually use versus things that are like, I don't know. Like before, I feel like we got so much skincare, and like you can only use so much skincare in 2 months time. So it's not like you could use it all up. So this is just a much, much better variety. So I am very happy with this. I might have to resubscribe if I already canceled. Might have to resubscribe. I don't know. We'll see if I get another box or not though. I kind of hope I do now. Kind of hope I do. Let me know, do you get this box? I would love to know what you think of it. And I will try to get all the pricing for each of the items down in the description box below for you guys, because I don't see a card here and I don't have access to all the pricing offhand. So I'll get that for you guys. Anyway, let me know, what do you think of this box? Do you think it was worth it? Do you think it was not? Let me know. Thank you guys so much for watching, and until next time, I'll catch you guys later.